Work on major city infrastructure projects is moving along thanks in part to a new bidding process the city is using. The Southeast Interceptor sewer line is one example where contractors have to work in neighborhoods while minimizing the impact on neighbors.
Alternative delivery is another way to acquire contract services. And the focus is not just on the lowest cost, but it also focuses on the value that is brought to the project and to the community and the citizens that are most impacted.
The city is using alternative project delivery to address projects similar to the Southeast Interceptor, where projects are in close proximity to residents as well as impacting the traveling public.
In the past, we've had a number of other projects where we had a number of community complaints, citizen concerns raised as a result of those projects. We've gone back and looked at those and decided that we could take a different approach to the contracting that could address those concerns before the construction begins.
The Southeast Interceptor, as can be seen behind me, is a gravity sewer system, collection system that is significant in depth. Behind me, the work is on the order of 40 feet deep. The project is multi-year, multi-phase. This project will go through some residential areas in tight quarters as well as some of our major transportation corridors.
What we're looking for in this alternative delivery method is contractors that bring extra value to the project, both in terms of efficiency and how the project is constructed and built, and how they will work with the community and citizens that are most impacted by the project.
Cost proposed bidding is not the only way for procurement in the City of Bend. We've learned that proposal-based adds value to the project.
The city is aware that cost is always a concern with our projects. However, there is additional value that can be had by paying a little extra. And in fact, the city may even save some money as a result of addressing these concerns up front in these contracts, rather than waiting till these issues arise after construction begins and then having to modify a contract to address them.
We want to have a procurement process where the contractor commits to a method of communication to the community up front.
What we realized in working with these homeowners is their ability to access their home, the noise complaints, and just simply the amount of vibrations and other issues that result from construction. As a result of those concerns, the city has taken those very seriously, and we are trying to address those concerns at every stage of the project, both in planning, during construction, and even at the end of the project.